everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can tag a friend in a comment on TikTok. So if you want to tag a friend in a comment on TikTok, this is a quick and easy way to mention them in your post or engage with them. Here's the process how you can tag a friend in a comment on TikTok in 2024. First of all, launch the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you have launched the TikTok app, here browse the video where you can leave a comment and tag your friend here. Here you have to just go for the comment icon. Once you are on your comment, you have to just go for the add a comment. So here you in the comment section you can start typing your message as usual. After typing your message, you can tag your friend by writing add read, or you can see the add read option here too. So for an example, if your friend username is this, you have to just tap on that and you can go for the send icon or arrow icon here. Once you have finished typing your comment and tagging your friend, you have to tap on the send button or the paper plane icon to post your comment here. So this way you can easily tag your friend in your TikTok comment or other TikTok comment. So this way you can easily engage with him like this. So by following this step, you can easily tag friends in TikTok comment to engage with them or share content. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.